everyone, welcome to Try Right. This is Pack 365. Myself Sujit. So today we are going to learn some interview coding question that might be asked you in your interview. So for the session, the first question will be write a program to check. The first question for this session will be write a program to check number is a perfect square or not. Guys, what is the mean of square? Okay, perfect square means if you are taking a number, so I just give you fast the explanation, then only we are going to see the iteration and each and everything. Okay, guys. So first, if I'm taking any number, means I will be taking the input from this user only. Okay, so here I am taking a user input 10. Okay, now my requirement will be I need to start from 0. Okay, now I need to start from 0, so it will be starting from 0. So the number will be generating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. Guys, if you see here, okay, now I need to generate. So I need to check that if each and every number will be multiplied with that particular number, means my requirement will be I need to take 1 into 1, it's becoming 1. Then again, 2 into 2, it becoming 4. Okay, 3 into 3, it's becoming 9. 4 into 4. Okay, so it becoming 16. So guys, if you see here, after I am generating this 4 into 4, my number will be 10. So it will be greater than. So I need to stop the iteration here. So my logic will be say that if I'm taking a number and I will be generating up to that number, when this number will getting satisfying, okay, as of now I am taking 10. But in this case, this is not a perfect number. If I am taking a perfect number, so guys, here I just want to take a perfect number. Then only I need to explain. So 10 is not a perfect number. If I'm taking 16 is a perfect number. So here also I need to generate all this number. Okay. Up to that particular number. Okay. Now we need to start this 1 into 1. It's becoming 1. 2 into 2. It's becoming 4. Then 3 into 3, it's becoming 9. 4 into 4, it's becoming 6. Guys, just see, I am taking 6 and my multiplication value also, it will be 16. So in this case, both 16 user input and the output also same. So we can say that 16 is a perfect square because every time we are using this square. That's why we are going to implement this logic in our coding. Then how to do that? Guys, just see, first we need to understand, we need to generate this number. So here we are, for surely we are going to use this loop only. So here guys, if you see here, I am running 4 times. There might be cases if I am taking a large number, there might be chances that I am taking 6 iterations, 7 iterations. So it means we are not confirm how many iterations. So in that case, we are using our while loop. Okay, first will be confirm that here we are using while loop. Then every time I just need to square. So my one condition should be number, whatever the number I am taking, every time I just need to multiply with this same number only. If I'm generating 1, I need to generate with 1 only. Okay, every time. So this is one condition, and here we need to check that to the user input. Okay, so here I am taking my element into element, whatever the number, if it will be same, this condition becoming true, then in that case we can say that this is a perfect square. Okay, so this is the logic. But if you see in while loop, every time we need to give one false condition. If you are not giving false condition, it will be iterate infinitive time. Okay, infinite time. So what is my, guys, if you see the condition, if I'm keeping whatever the number I am taking, if I'm taking 16, and if I'm taking my while condition while norm into norm, sorry, element, because I need to start from the element. So element into element less than equal to number. So means if you see here, now as of now my element value will be 1. So 1 into 1, 1 less than equal to number will be 16. So this is true. So every time I need to give a false condition. After this 4, guys, if you see, if I'm keeping 5 into 5, so 5 into 5 becoming 25. So 25 less than equal to 16, guys. So this condition becoming false. So here we can print that this is not a perfect number. Sorry, perfect square. Then if you know that in while condition, every time we need must to give the updation. So in this case, we are giving the updation equal to every time we need to increment this element. So element equal plus equal to 1. Every time it will be open to 1 because my first value will be becoming 1. Then it be becoming 2. Then it becoming 3. Okay, whenever this condition becoming false, then this while loop will be getting terminated. Okay, now we are going to do this coding. So first we need to take the user input. So how to take this user input? By the help of our input function. So here I am taking enter the number. Okay, enter the number. Now I need to take a number that will be start from. So here I am taking starting from my element 0. I just starting. If you are keeping 1 also, it's okay. Now first, I need to give a false condition. Here, my false condition will be whatever my element, I need to multiply with that particular number only. So, element into element less than equal to my user input element means this is my false condition for this coding. Okay, now after I am generating this number, I need to check if my element into element double equal to num, then we can say that this is a perfect number. So here I am simply printing number is a perfect square number. Okay, means perfect square means every time we are just multiply with that particular things. After if one time we are getting, so we need to break. If you are not giving break, then it also printing one more time, but we need to stop that. That's why I'm here using break. So guys, if I'm keeping my element here, means if I'm updating my element plus equal to 1, so after this break, each and every condition, it will be a non-performing statements, means after this is called our non-performing statement. Okay, if I'm deleting also here, guys, if you see here, if I'm keeping my updation inside this, means every time when this condition becoming satisfied, at that time my updation value will be updating. But I want that particular condition becoming false also, I need to update. Guys, if you see here, if my condition becoming false also here, element means 1 into 1, 1 double equal to number. No, it means after this condition becoming false also, I need to update. So in that case, I need to give my updation value after the for if loop will be executing. Sorry, if block will be getting executed. So here I need to give my break keyword. Okay, guys. After each and everything will be completed, means as of now, if I'm not finding any output, then after that, we know that if you are using while else, means after every iteration will complete from this while loop, then only this else plot will getting start executing. Okay, now if I'm keeping, so here I am keeping that the number whatever the user input is not a perfect square number. Now we are going to check it once. Okay, so guys, here I need to give a non-perfect square number, then only I need to give a perfect square number. So here I am keeping 10 as my output. So if you see here, it will tell that 10 is not a perfect square number. Now if I'm giving a perfect square number, if I'm keeping 9 also, 9 is a perfect square number. So how the iteration will going to implement, we are going to see now. So I just need to copy and paste. Okay, here I am just keeping this code. So yeah, guys, now I need to change this color also. Okay, so now I need to, yeah, so here I need to write my each and every iteration. Okay, so I need to erase something here. So I'm erasing. So now just see, guys, first my element value will be becoming 0. We know that. So as of now, I'll give my value, it will be 0. Then the first condition will be saying that 0 into 0 less than equal to, first I need to take a user input. Okay, so here I am taking 16 as my input, user input. Okay, now I need to compare 0 into 0, it's becoming 0 less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition becoming true. Okay, after that it will be come inside. So again 0 into 0 double equal to 16. No, this condition becoming false. So it will be come to my updation part. So as of now, my element value it will be becoming 0. So 0 plus equal to 1. So it will be becoming 1. Again, as of now, my element value will be increment to 1. So 1 into 1 less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition will getting satisfied. Then here I need to again 1 into 1 double equal to 16. No, this condition not becoming true. So here we can say that after this, after you're checking this condition, every time I just need to update this square. Okay, so here I need to update my, as of now, my element value will be 1. So 1 plus equal to 1. So it will be becoming 2. Okay, guys. Again, my as of now, my element value will be becoming 2. So here I need to check 2 into 2 less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition will be also getting satisfied because 4 less than 16, this condition becoming true. So here again 2 into 2 double equal to 16. No guys, this condition becoming false. Again I just need to update my value. So as of now my element value will be becoming 3 only. Okay, then the next iteration will be 3 into 3 less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition also becoming true. So 3 into 3 double equal to 16. No, this condition will be not getting satisfied. Again, I need to update my element value. So here my element value will be becoming 4. Again, I just need to check it once. Okay. So as of now, my element value becoming 4. So 4 into 4 less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition becoming true. Here I need to check 4 into 4 double equal to 16. Yeah, this condition becoming true. So here I need to print that. Okay, true. Okay. Now, after that also my update means the increment value also updating. So as of now, my element value becoming 4. So 4 plus equal to 1, it's becoming 5. Then after it will be hit the false condition, then only it will be need to be stopped. So as of now my element value is becoming 5. So 5 into 5 less than equal to 16. So this condition becoming false. So it will become outside my else part. So else part will be getting satisfied and it will be start implementing. Now guys, if I am not giving this break, then in that case, what is my output, guys? Just see. If I'm giving a perfect square number, so as of now, I'm keeping 16 is my perfect square number. So guys, just see, it will be give me 16 is a perfect square number, but also it will also printing 16 is not a perfect square number. Why? Because after once it confirm, we need to stop that one. Okay, if I'm not stopping, then after every iteration completion of my while loop, again it start implementing. That's why it will be printing that particular else part also. So to overcome with that, we're going to use this break keyword. Okay, so this is the logic behind this perfect square. Then the next question will be, now we are guys write a program to print our Fibonacci series. Guys, I think everyone know this Fibonacci, right? Means in your college time also. Okay, so means if I'm keeping a number until that position, I need to print, okay, Fibonacci number for a given position. Or to generate this Fibonacci also, the both question are going to see now. First, we need to generate this Fibonacci. So to generate this Fibonacci, the concept will very simple. Means first we need to take two value confirm, because in Fibonacci the first two value will be becoming 0 and 1. So it will be, now my condition will be 0 plus 1 1. So then the next value will be 1. Again, the previous value need to be added. So 1 plus 1 becoming 2. Again, 2 plus 1 becoming 3. Just like that, this number will be getting implementing. So this is the logic behind this Fibonacci. So now we need to generate this Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci number or series also. So first we need to take a position from this user input. Okay, means if you see it, if you are not giving a position up to where you need to find, then it will be run for an infinite time. Means if I'm keeping for 10 times, so it will only giving up to 10 times. As of now I'm giving for 6 times, so the 6 time it will be becoming 6 only. That's why, so every time I just need to give a position. Okay, if you are not giving, it will be run for a infinite time. So here I am giving my position. So I need to take from user input. To taking user input, I need to use input function. So enter the position. Okay. Now after that, if you see here, I am keeping my first two value confirm. Means every time it will be start from 0, 1 only. So here I need to give my first equal to 0 and second equal to 1. Okay, now I need to generate give, because guys here I need to give a for loop. Why? Because here we know, because if I'm passing 10 position, it will be only running for 10 position. That's why here I am using for element in range. Okay, because we are passing the position only. So here I am directly pass my position value. So it will be starting for 0 only. So in that case, every time I just need to print my first value, because the first value becoming 0, then it will be printing 1, 0, 1. Every time I need to print this first value. Okay, after that I need to add that particular thing. Guys, just see 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, just like that. So here the second one will be I need to add. So I am taking a variable called total. Total equal to first plus second. Okay, every time it will be added, and if you see here, every time the position will be shifted. So 0 plus 1, I need after 1 plus 1 means I need to skip one particular value to swap two number. In the first session only I am telling, we are going to use this concept. Okay, first comma second equal to second comma total, because if you are giving here this fast again, then it will be swapping between two numbers, but we need to get this total also, because if you see here, after 0 plus 1 it will be how becoming 1, because 0 plus 1 becoming 1. After we need to skip that one, means we need to get that particular value also. So we need to skip this first number and we need to add the total. So here I am keeping my total. Now I just need to run this one. So as of now, I just want to print only for 10 Fibonacci number, means first 10 Fibonacci number. So here I need to print first 10 Fibonacci number. If you want to print in a single line, so here we are using this end function, and the clue character I need to give a space. Now I'm going to run this one. So in this case, it will be start implementing in a single line. Guys, just see 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Just like that, it will be start implementing. So this is the control flow of our Fibonacci series, means how to generate our Fibonacci series. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we are going to see more questions on related to number programming. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Try right.